Squirrels are small, bushy-tailed rodents that are native to parts of the Northern Hemisphere. They are known for their agility in climbing trees and their ability to store nuts and seeds for winter. Squirrels have a keen sense of sight, hearing, and smell, which helps them find food and avoid predators. Their most distinctive feature is their bushy tail, which they use for balance while climbing and as a blanket to keep warm. Squirrels have two main types, the tree squirrels and the ground squirrels. Tree squirrels live in trees and are more common in North America. Ground squirrels, on the other hand, live in burrows and are more prevalent in Asia and North America. The process of storing nuts and seeds, known as hoarding, is a survival strategy for squirrels. They gather more food than they need and hide it in various locations to ensure they have enough to eat during the winter months. However, their hoarding habits can sometimes lead to funny situations, such as a squirrel forgetting where it hid its food, causing it to dig up numerous buried nuts and seeds in search of the one it had hidden earlier. Squirrels play an important role in the forest ecosystem. By burying and forgetting some of their food, they help to plant trees. The nuts and seeds they bury often sprout and grow into new trees, creating a forest. Squirrels are also a popular subject in pop culture. They have been featured in countless cartoons, movies, and children's books, symbolizing intelligence and resourcefulness. In some cultures, squirrels are considered a delicacy. In parts of Asia, squirrels are hunted for their meat, which is said to be delicious and nutritious. Despite their small size, squirrels are fascinating creatures with unique adaptations that allow them to survive in a variety of environments. Their role in the ecosystem, their cultural significance, and their adorable appearance make them a beloved creature around the world. So, the next time you see a squirrel scampering up a tree or darting across the ground, take a moment to appreciate this amazing little animal and the important role it plays in the world.